URIA WARI MUTONGORIA wa GIKUNDI kia MUNGIKI Maina Njenga ni akinyiro igoti-ini ria MAKADARA guku NAIROBI agikuruhanio na gukorwo na matharaita ta tuhiu twa njora, migui, ndotono, thimbo gatagati-ini kaingi iria cingihuthika gutabania tharikira. Njenga akinyiro igoti-ini riri thutha wake kurekererio ni andu marekuirwo gukorwo mari maabitha borithi aria mamunyitite migwate kwa ihinda ria mathaa 24 na gucoka kumurekereria hwai waira na kumuhe ciringi 2,000 cia gucoka mucii.
While they were abducting them, they knew that they were supposed to come before you today to answer to the summons.
Mimi niliachiliwa nikapelekwa nikafungwa nikaletwa mpaka hapo Banana, nikaachwa hapo, alafu nikapewa fare.
Maina kuhitukira mawakiri ake ni endekithite igoti riri riathane agacirithirio UGITIRI kumana na kiria ugite ni kwagagio ni maabitha borithi mahinda kwa mahinda kumana na murugamo wake wa kiuteti wa kunyita mbaru mwena wa MUNG'ETHANIRO.
Hiyo ni tocha ya hali ya juu sana. Kenya imeshakuwa na uhuru na hizi masiku za nyayo ziliisha kitambo.
Wakiri wake Evans Ondieki ni ugite ndarataukwo uria maabitha borithi mangiikia mundu ngono kunikanitio thio akiringithania mutugo uyu gukorwo ari wa ekinai.
We want this court to intervene to protect the suspects. Your Honor, there are several laws which protect victims, witnesses.
Your Honor, I'm using the word abduction because abduction is extrajudicial. I'm not using the word arrest because arrest is constitutional.
Ni orete indo ciake cia bata iria atunyirwo ni maabitha aya acokerio ari hamwe na thimu cia moko.
Police is still holding a motor vehicle registration number KCJ 413X Hilux Surf. The police officers are still holding 4 underwears. They are holding 14 vests. They are holding 15 trousers. They are holding 12 shirts.
Kuhana uguo mucirithania wa igoti riri Tito Gesora ni oritie mawakiri ya Maina Njenga mandikithie riboti igi indo ciake iria atunyirwo hatari kihoto kiiganu na macoke mamineane igoti-ini riri niguo acokerio.
Citizens have got right to property. If property has been taken away unfairly, let's apply properly and affidavit and say such and property was taken such a date under oath, and then serve the other party, let them respond formally, properly, and definitely an appropriate order would be given to restore those properties to whoever.
Maina ni akinyetio igoti-ini riri ona gutuika ni arekereirio na mbiro ya muigana wa ciringi 100,000. Cira uyu ugathikiririo tariki 3 mweri wa Dithemba mwaka uyu.